Volatility Dashboard is the Volatility Skew tab. Unlike the Term Structure tab, which shows you options volatility over time at the same strike, the Volatility Skew tab shows you implied volatility readings at one point in time across many strikes. This view is important for understanding if the market has bullish or bearish expectations for names you are trading. You can interact with the graph by sliding the scale at the bottom of the chart or highlighting specific areas with your mouse to reveal detailed statistics for individual strikes. The main pane offers 3 display options. The money icon shows implied volatility relative to strike prices, the triangle displays IV relative to deltas, and the percentage shows IV relative to distance from the current price based on a percentage. Similar to the Term Structure tab, you can access the Settings function to view statistics, and here you can choose to look deeper based on strike, delta, or percent moneyness. From there, you can choose your statistical look-back period or pick specific time frames with the ability to visualize multiple dates for comparison. And for more information, click on the Using Volatility Dashboard link at the top or click on the I box to further learn about how to apply the Volatility Skew tab. Trader tip: you can examine the shape of the curve's smile to see if there is call skew or put skew, unveiling where demand currently exists for options across strikes at a single expiration.